Hey guys, if your coolant is low, you want to make sure that you pay attention. As you can see right here, this one is really low. There's the maximum and there's the minimum. You want to pay attention before you turn on your car. It's always good to check. If not, if you drive your car without a coolant, you end up damaging your engine, so you want to pay attention to that. So here is the minimum and there's the maximum, and when you fill it up, it has to get to this line below the maximum right here. It has to be. So I'm going to show you how to fill it up. Also, one thing you want to be attentive of is you have to differentiate between a washer fluid and a coolant. Right here, the Xerox would give you the information. The car I'm about to fill right now is going to be, this is compatible for, this is what I actually need for the car. So as you can see, most vehicle or your preferences matters a lot, right? The vehicle I'm showing you is Ford. I would prefer to use the 50/50, which is the pre-diluted antifreeze. So this is going to be compatible. So again, make sure that you are able to distinguish between a washer fluid and a coolant. Next step you need to do is get the coolant. You get a funnel like this. After that, what you do next is you pop this open and voila, there you go. So the next thing you do is you want to make sure the funnel that you're going to be getting is really flexible. That way you'll be able to bend it and it gets right into the coolant. Okay, and after that, then you can turn your coolant in. There you go. So I just finished turning the coolant, and now you see it's all the way to the max. It might seem like it looks above the max a little bit, but no, it's the exact place. And my car is a little tilted the way I parked it, so that's why you might think it's above the maximum, but it's not. So that's what you need to do. And after that, you take off the funnel and you lock it up. Yeah, so I just hope this video helps. So guys, if it helps, subscribe, like, and thank you very much. Bye bye.